hybridization, the F1 generation obtain resemblance to one of its parents, that is dominant parent. Here we got capital Y, small y, but it is yellow color only, not green color is formed. So here we can see dominant, it is resemblance to dominant parent and not recessive parent. But in case of F2, when two plants of F1 were self-pollinated, F2 generation was obtained and it had both dominant as well as recessive parent. As we can see, it had yellow and also green character. When D small t were self-pollinated, it produces gametes T and small t in equal proportion. During fertilization, the pollen grains of D have 50% chance to pollinate eggs of T and small t. Also, the pollen grains of small t have 50% chance to pollinate eggs of T and small t. So, therefore, 1/4 of random fertilization leads to T and T. 1/2 of random fertilization leads to T and small t. 1/4 of random fertilization leads to small t. Therefore, we have 1/4 T, 1/2 T small t, and 1/4 small t. Similarly, we can compare this to the binomial expression, that is ax plus by the whole square, half t plus half 1/2 T plus 1/2 small t the whole square will give us 1/2 T plus 1/2 small t, 1/2 T plus 1/2 small t. Here we have splitted this up, so we'll get 1/4 T, 1/4 T small t, 1/4 T small t, and 1/4 small t. Taking the common together, so we'll get 1/4 T, 1/2 T small t plus 1/4 small t. So due to this, by taking this expression, we get this formula.